Here in Richmond, too many homeowners endure frustrating and costly window problems. They put up with windows and doors that don't open or close properly, foggy windows, and inefficient, drafty, or leaky windows. Others, well, they do something about their window problems. They call us, Renewal by Andersen of Central Virginia. You should too. For a limited time, get these tremendous savings with attractive financing. Call Renewal by Andersen today. We're your full-service replacement window and door solution. We've installed replacement windows in and around Richmond for over 68 years. We understand what life is like here and can provide the right solutions for you and your home. We've helped friends, family, and neighbors put an end to their window problems with beautiful, new, custom-built replacement windows that are durable and energy efficient. Our Richmond team handles everything from design to installation, even cleanup. That's our signature service. Our homeowners love it, and we think you will too. Best of all, our beautiful replacement windows are custom built in the USA with our exclusive Fibrix material. Fibrix is vastly superior to vinyl and won't warp, bow, or fade like vinyl can. And all our windows are energy efficient, helping to keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Plus, they're available in many popular colors. Give our Renewal by Andersen of Central Virginia team a call today to get some big savings. For a limited time, get 20% off all windows and patio doors. Plus, save an additional $300 off your entire project when you call now, with no money down, no monthly payments, and no interest for 12 months. Don't miss out. Call 804-729-9595 to schedule your free in-home consultation today.